Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our 2-in-1 switcheroo. So you may have seen our original 2-in-1 switch for the month of September a couple weeks back, where Chip had the Urban Decay Alice Through the Looking Glass palette, and I had the Moira Cosmetics Daydreams palette, and now
we're switching a room.
Giving it to each other.
Switching a room. Time to test out a palette I've never tried before. I already got some ideas. I'm ready.
She put it back in the drawer
so she could have the experience.
It's fine until you get to the very end.
Experience. She goes, toss the box.
The mirror in this is extremely small, so I will not be using it. I think it's the white and the black that just kills me because it just looks fake. It looks like a photo. It doesn't look like actual products in here. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Yes. So I'm using the Morphe E28, and I went with Cloud 9.
What'd you prime your eyes with?
I've already primed my eyes with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in Drug Lord.
Chip woke up like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just take Looking Glass at the very top. It's like a pinky neutral. I'm just placing it down just for blending, really. And normally I never really do that, but I'm just doing like a two-tone lid. So I just want to have something for it to kind of morph into, if that makes sense. I'm just using the Morphe M330 to apply that. And we're just literally going like right under the brow bone. Take my Sephora Pro 14, and then we're gonna do Metamorphasis on one lid and the lower lash line on the other eye, and then the other side is gonna be Hatter and then the lower lash line on the other eye. So I'm gonna take Metamorphasis first because it's just a pretty blue.
So I'm going in with Mooney, and we're just adding that to the outer corner of our eyes. Really, I'm just blending it to my brow.
So I have primed my eyes with the MILANI eyeshadow primer. We've been using it through the 2-in-1 since we also filmed the MILANI drugstore bingo today. If you haven't watched it, put it up in the eye so you can. Okay,
so I'm going in with Revy.
They're a little hard to read because they're white on baby pink. So I'm gonna take Hatter, and it looks like to be the same kind of formula as Metamorphasis, so I'm kind of glad that I picked both of them for this eye look. They have like a little tiny shift in it, but it's more in the same color. So like Hatter has like a little green into it, and then Metamorphasis has a little light blue. Now to do the bottom half of the lash lines, we're gonna take the Morphe M169 and just jump into the same shades on the opposite sides.
I'm gonna go in with Dreamy. I always find like with makeup, once I find a color combination that I'm like, oh my god.
Until you get sick of it?
Oh yeah. Like I will find every type of way to wear the same color combination.
That's exactly how I feel too, especially if it's like a specific product that I like. Like I will find ways to incorporate it into an eye look, and then I'll center the whole eye look around that or something.
I don't realize it until like I look back at pictures and I'm like, I'm wearing different outfits, but why am I wearing the same look?
Right, right.
Okay, and I'm just gonna take the Morphe E28 brush and blend out Dreamy, just so we can cover up any of that excess.
Okay, for eyeliner, we're using a ColourPop cream gel liner, and this is in Teaspoon. I didn't want to do like different colors because I'm lazy, so I'm just picked the color that was in the middle, which obviously was teal.
Okay, so I'm going to go in with Dreamy using the Morphe M434 brush. I just want to add that to the outer corner on my lower lash line. Just kind of connect that buffing. That buff. Now, white on the lips. I'm kidding. But we are going to do this purple. So this is the Dose of Color Purple Rain. This is my favorite purple lipstick. Honestly, I love all of my purple lipstick, but this is up there too.
Gonna be using the Pretty Zombie Cosmetics Recently Deceased.
Let that dry down just a tad bit. And then go in with Play It Cool in the center. Okay, going in with mascara. This is the Too Faced Damn Girl.
I use the Tarte Big Ego again, if you guys were wondering. I love this lipstick so much, but like, it smears everywhere all day. It's supposed to be a liquid matte, but it's more of like a cream liquid matte. And not in a hydrating way, more like, I'm gonna smear all over your shit kind of way. And it stains, so. Here we are.
All done. Dunsy done.
I love it.
Yeah, I love your two-tones. Like, you do those the best. Best.
I like yours. It's nice and sultry.
Yeah, this would also be like a quick everyday.
Jackie Aina ABH who?
No, I'm not. I can't. I don't. It's not.
You don't want to buy all their palettes?
No, that one, I'm just like, eh. It's kind of, it reminds me of the sultry one. It's just like,
Really?
I
With
don't.
this deep purple? Or you mean you feel the same way about
yeah, yeah. Because sultry is like the everyday like nude palette, and then the Ina palette, I'm like, it's the same thing. Like I would only use that for, like every day. So I hope you liked look number 1 of the switch. So now we're going to
do some close-ups.
Yes.
And then we'll be jumping into look number 2, and I can't wait to watch Chip do some.
Because it's gonna be bright. It's gonna be bright. And maybe cut creasy.
Ooh, cut creasy.
Last look. Yeah. We have a dragon and an egg right here.
Oh my god, it's gonna look good. Okay, let's do close. Number 2 for the switch.
We made it. All right. Eyes are primed with the Urban Decay primer. I had to set that MILANI aside. Like, the wetness is unreal. I just couldn't.
It's been 30 seconds, so I'm
So this is Dreamlike, and I'm using the Sigma Extravaganza brush, E40, taper blending. We're just gonna use this as, ooh.
It's a nice, like, cowboy khaki brown. All right, so I hate myself when I put heads will roll in the crease. So it's like a shimmer. I want to say it's a matte because it doesn't look like a shimmer, but it has like a glitter in it. Morphe M330. Trying to get the like essence of heads will roll. Like I don't need the pigmentation really. I just need the essence.
And then we're going to start with the Sephora number 28 brush. This is a really nice like baby blue on my skin.
Just really trying to pack in like the deep set of the crease because that's where I want the most pigmentation, but the rest can just fade on out. On the lid, we're taking Cake. I like how even though I was looking on an online image of this, I picked literally shadows that have the same formula. So Cake is also a matte with a shimmer in it. It looks like it has a little bit of a duochrome, like lighter purple in the actual base. Like the base is like a plummy wine. It's 4x14. Inner corner of the lid.
Another blue look. Surprise, surprise. We're gonna go in with Means, and I want to use my finger for this one and see how this applies. Oh yeah, that's pretty.
Okay, I'm just gonna go back in with heads will roll a little bit, same brush, and just kind of like dab it where the two shades are meeting, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for Cake, just so they blend nicely together.
Means kind of blended within Start turns into a really nice aqua blue teal look.
So between those two shades is definitely very fallouty, as to be expected considering the formula. And then last shade for this look is going to be Gone Mad, which is also a shimmer matte. Like how? How did I know?
How did you know?
How did I know? I honestly, I don't know. But this one's like a nice, really deep plum.
So I put Miles Away in the inner corner. Very nice pop. I think I'm going to add liner, but I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just wanting to line my waterline.
I would say that out of these 3 same formalized shades, that Gone Mad probably has the least amount of payoff in the shimmer. At least with heads will roll, if I just tapped it, I could see it. Cake, a little bit of the same, but this is just, it's gone. Lower lash line, I'm just gonna do like before and just smoke it out a little bit with the Morphe M169.
And then going with the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara.
Are you saying damn girl yet?
No, I'm like, why are you clumping?
Could you expect any more from Too Faced?
Why are you clumping?
She's pretty. I'm still so mad that there's like so much brown in it. Eyeliner, ColourPop Cream Gel, and Piggy Bank. And then we'll be using Tarte Big Ego as well again.
Okay, so for this one, I want a really nudie lip. So we're just gonna do the Play It Cool. And this is from Dose of Colors.
I think I've decided how I feel about this mascara. It should have more product on the spoolie than it does. Because I feel like I have to overly work the product into my lashes to get the effect that I want.
So you want it to pick up more?
Yes, I want it to be thicker on the spoolie, but that is it. I will be doing purple lip. This is Bellagone, That's My Jam.
All done. We did it. So yeah. Oh, I love it. Yeah, definitely.
I like
when they mix together.
I hadn't looked at it yet. So good. I am encompassing the outside colors of the box.
I feel you. I really like the blue in this palette. It was really nice. And if I did a white base, it would probably be like more of a neon blue on me, but I like the subtle like soft blue tone.
Yes.
It's really pretty. I hope you liked this second look, and that completes our 2-in-1 switch. Please make sure that you check out the first one where we had our original palettes and dove into those. And also check our Instagram, Facebook, all sugar and spice _ makeup, where we post daily looks. That really is it. So we will see you in our next video. Bye!